So hey friends, welcome back to my channel Earn with Orhan. Today I'll be the amazing site. First of all, I will tell the site name is eBay mod 668.xyz. So guys, how to get login? Just put on your email, then login your password, then confirm password, then register. So I will fill all information, then I will tell the next step. So friends, we log in the site. Company going to me as an announcement. You have to read for VIP 1 invest $3, 5 order complete a task and withdraw the principal plus 20 plus commission. Can withdraw 3.07 and VIP 2 invest $12, 5 order complete a task and withdraw the principal 25 commission. Can withdraw over $16, VIP 3 investment $42. So guys, okay the button, and you have to see this first section. You have to see we have recharge, withdraw, invite and earning today and gain and assignment 2 joining persons, and you have to see the live session person join here. So guys, first step is how to get recharge. Just click the recharge and you have to see copy this address and put in your TRC20 wallet address. So friends, here we are. Just click the send and just put in your copy address and enter your amount 3 USD, then continue the button. You have to see this. Just you have to click the button confirm, then get your recharge amount. So you have to just you have to some waiting for recharge amount, then confirm the button. And so friends, we done the recharge section. You have to see this 3 USD is done. After recharge, back to the site, and you have to see this recharge is completed. Before we have 28. After recharge, I will show you $31. Then click the button refresh and then get your recharge amount showing. So friend, you have to see this my balance before we have 28. After recharge, I will show you my recharge code here. $3 USD in approve in my account. So now we have time for withdraw. So just before withdraw, we have some order and gaining section. Just click the button the hand section and click the button plus, and you have to see this. You have to recharge, gaining and 5 orders in commission. So start, click the button grabbing, and you have seen this 5 orders did, and now you have to start success grabbing, submit all order, and just you can put in your submit. So guys, merchant information, generate product and order submission is completed. So again you have to submit and just click the start grabbing. You have to see this. We have 5 orders per day. So just I told you, just submit the button of grabbing and merchant approved and order submission is completed. So company give to me the total the grabbing session task here 5. So we will done the 3 order is completed. Now we have 2 order left. So just we have to just simple click the button start grabbing and then get your task is completed. So just submit the order and merchant information, generate product and order submission is completed. So this is my last task here. Just start grabbing and you have to see this. We will done the last order submit. So have you friends seen this? As you know, you have to see my all order is completed. Just you have to see this $5 is completed, frozen and 33.0. Before we have 31. After order 33.07. Now we have time for withdraw. So just click the home and just click the withdraw, and first of all copy the address of TRC20. So friends, here we are. Just click the receive and you have to see this receive the button and copy this address. So back to the site and enter here your paste address, the wallet. Okay guys, just paste it and enter your transaction password. Okay, confirmation modification is you have to see enter your the password of the fund password here. So just put in your, so don't move here. I will show you live withdraw is operation completed. So you have to see this. Now we have time for withdraw. So just click the button withdraw, enter your amount So you have to put in your amount. So friends, just click on withdraw, move, withdraw and submit. For please patient for successful. So guys, we will done the withdraw record here. Just simply just wait a second and I will show you withdraw approve here. $2 approved in my account. So withdraw record is done. So now we have time for team report here. You have to see this. We have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 here. So this is a team report here, and this is the account detail here. You have to see this account detail here. This is the receiving address here. You have to see this, the shipping address, and you have to see this region address and real name, and enter telegram and shipping address here, shipping address modification, and you have to see this 2 USD receive in my account. So guys, we will done the banking receipt and select language every action, and this is the customer service. If you have any trouble, they solve your all problems through telegram. And this is the pedo. You have to see in pending all orders here, and this is the invite section. First of all, copy this link and send your friends and family members. They will get rewards many time. So this is the amazing site. You can earn money home, and we will see you to the next video. eBay more 668.xyz. Take care.